Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Jenny. Today I'm making a sleeping Momo from the show Avatar: The Last Airbender. Momo is a winged lemur and is Aang's companion along with Appa. In a past video I made Appa. I'll link it down below if you're interested in seeing my process for him. Anyways, back to Momo. I made the base of his body using simple shapes, so his head is a ball, and his body is kind of like a hot dog. I blended them together before moving on to his legs and other features. For his legs, I rolled out a snake of clay and bent them around until I was happy with the shape. I kept looking at multiple reference photos just to make sure it was looking how I liked. I also rolled off the edges and attached them to the body. Here I'm making his huge ears, so I rolled out some clay into a sheet and cut a leaf shape out. I curled and pinched it around before attaching it to his head. For his tail, I simply rolled out a snake of clay. Before baking, I'm blending and smoothing everything out so he looks good for the painting stage.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I placed Momo inside this aluminum foil tin just to make sure that he doesn't burn or anything. I'll be baking to the time and temperature according to my polymer clay packaging instructions. After baking and cooling, I started painting Momo in off-white. I made sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. Once that was dry, I started mapping out the rest of him. So his ears have stripes on the inside going from light and dark brown. For his face, I used dark brown to make a rounded heart. For his tail, I used the dark brown again and made sure to leave 2 stripes of white at the end of it. Going from his tail all the way up to the nape of his neck, I made a strip of brown and that went around to his chest. Around his eyes and nose, he has darker brown, so I added those details before lining his eyes and mouth with a black micron. Now that the painting is done, all that is left is to glaze him.
A few moments later.
And here he is, all complete. I included a cute picture of Momo and Appa together at the end of this video, so let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please let me know by liking, commenting, and sharing it with others. If you'd like to be up to date on whenever I post a new video, make sure to subscribe. You can also find me on other socials for more art and stuff. They're all linked in the description box below. Thanks and have a good one.